And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hi, I'm Lydia Ziemba from Silver Creek, Nebraska, and I'm beginning my final year here in Curtis. This summer, I worked with Middle Republic and NRD, traveling across Red Willow, Hayes, Frontier, Hitchcock, and Lincoln counties. I was collecting nitrate samples from wells and pivots, and I had a great time doing it. I explored a part of the state that I'm not from, and it was such a valuable, hands-on experience. I'm majoring in ag business with a beef emphasis certificate, which is basically livestock-focused animal science. After I graduate, I will continue on for my bachelor's degree. This year, I'm also excited to serve as a resident assistant. I'm proud to be that friendly, helpful face on campus. What I love most about NCTA is our culture. It feels like a small town where everyone supports each other and we get to learn by doing. That hands-on learning is why I came here, and it's why so many of us succeed. Career-wise, I'm keeping an open mind, but right now I'm drawn to opportunities in livestock and crop insurance and real estate. I fully agree that NCTA has allowed me to turn my passion into purpose, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. If you're ready to discover what NCTA can offer you, visit ncta.unl.edu to learn more, apply and schedule a campus tour. Join us for one of our Discovery Days, as it's the best way to experience our hands-on learning and small-town campus for yourself. Go Aggies!